Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I have another birthday entry here that I'm going to open, and I'm going to show you some of the things on the front of it so that you can just get an idea of how cute this was like decorated. And just, I love this one sticker for the postal workers. I think that is so cool. So I'm going to cover the address. This is from Mary Chris in Connecticut, and look at this sticker on the front. Thank you, postal workers. I just love that. I wonder if that just like gives them just a smile on their face when they see things like that. And then I love this as well, where it says, where it says enchanted, handle with care. And then we have like the confetti tape. Super cute, super fun. And then inside we have a beautiful holo envelope, so pretty. So let's open that. I'm gonna cut that open. Oh my gosh, I'm seeing so much pretty shred paper. Look, yum, love it. Let's pull it out. Let's get a party going on this table. Yes, I am totally saving this. It's so pretty. Ooh, that is stuck. Look how pretty that is. What a pretty color combination. Love it. And ooh, we have more at the bottom. Okay, and what's this? Enchanted, handle with care. Ooh, I'm keeping that and putting that on a package. So fun. Okay, let's open up our tissue paper. Oh, it says handcrafted and created with love and intention by MC at paper_mystic for Wendy Lee's birthday challenge 2021. I love that. So cute. And then let me open this so you can see the wax seal that's on it. See if I can get that out. Look at that. I love how she did that card. Super cute. Oh, and then she has a little sticker on this package here that says birthday extras, and it's a Jolie, it looks like it's taped to the other paper, and it's a Jolie's boutique birthday sticker set. How cute. I love that. Look at the little drinks in the bottom left hand corner. You got the food, the envelope with the card. That's so cute, and I love all the tassels. How fun is that? Thank you so much. Then we have this beautiful package. Oh, I don't even want to open this paper because it's so pretty. But I'm going to have to open it. It's taped. Now I'm going to flip it over because I find a lot of times cards are on the top, and I keep opening things backwards, and then we don't know who it's from until the very end. Or it ends up being Happy Mail instead of a birthday challenge entry, and then I feel like a total dork because we went through the whole thing thinking it was a birthday challenge entry. So let's see here. I kind of want to save this. I don't want to, like, I was thinking of cutting it open, but I'm like, no. Okay, I'm able to get everything out. Ooh, it's got a cute little tassel on it, making it extra fancy. Oh, it's taped on the back. Look how cute. I'm gonna save that tassel for sure. Okay, and then, okay, we're gonna go from top to bottom. So here, it looks like we have an ATC card. Oh, she sent me like a sneak peek of this. Oh my gosh, look how pretty that is. I love it. That is gorgeous. Let me take it out. Let me take it out. Oh, she sent me some more of those labels. So inside we have this where it says feeling witchy. And then she sent me some more of those labels. Enchanted, handle with care. So cool. Thank you so much. And then we'll look at our card outside of the plastic so you can get a real appreciation for it. Look how she put, like, I'm guessing it's stickles all over, and it's like there's big dots and little dots of it. So cool. And then look at the little gemmies at the bottom, how they're graduated. It almost looks like a moon phase. That beautiful star. So pretty. Okay, so let's see here. Name is Mary Chris. I hope I'm saying that. Mari Chris or Mary Chris. I used to have a friend named Mari growing up, and her name was M-A-R-I. So it's either Mary Chris or Mari Chris. Or she goes by MC for short. Like Mary. Oh, she even tells me how to say it at the bottom. Like Merry Christmas. So it is Mary Chris. Thank you for telling me. A lot of people must ask you that. She gives her address. She's in Connecticut. Her favorite colors are green, purples, lavender, pink, black, aqua, and pastels. Her themes are ethereal, whimsical, witchy, Halloween, gothic, creepy, cute, pastel, goth, vintage, and eclectic. Ooh, it sounds like mysterious and really cool at the same time. And then her birthday is May 8th. Her Instagram is @paper_mystic, which I will put below. And she said, thanks for hosting. This was such a fun and unique giveaway. I loved it. Happy birthday. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for entering. Okay, so there's her beautiful ATC card. I can't wait to put that inside my binder. I can't wait to put them all inside my binder. I'm having so much fun with these little ATC cards. I'm glad that I did this. And you can hear my cat. She's meowing in the background. She wants out. So let's see. You are made of stardust. Oh, she included these beautiful tassels. Pretty. And they're in different grays. So like a light gray, like a gunmetal gray, and black. So pretty with gold. Really pretty little bag topper. Simple and cute. Love it. Then we have, and it looks like she taped everything together to keep it from sliding around, which was good when she did it with some washi tape. You are magic. So this is her shaker. Let's see. I'm going to read this because this is so funny. So this is her shaker right here. And she says, the sequins tend to get stuck, so you may need to shake it vigorously along with a good old tap before shaking. Don't be scared, LOL. Handcrafted with love and intention by me at Paper Mystic. Okay, we're going to try it out. Okay, I see what you mean. Okay, we're gonna, hold on, I'm gonna take it out of the plastic. Hold on. Oh my gosh, this is so cool because it's also a card, you guys. I'm not gonna blind you and put it like in your face, but look. See how it has like the foil right there? So there it goes. So I see what she means by saying it gets stuck. Super cool. Super awesome. Thank you so much. That's really cool. Then here we have these beautiful purple gems, and she did a little belly band with moons on it. And then she did this gorgeous multicolored wax seal. Super pretty. Thank you so much. I love how you did like your little extra belly band and how you're using your wax seals. I need to remember to use my wax seals. I was using them for a long time, and then I don't know, I stopped. Oh, look how cute this little sequin set is. And I love how she put like a little belly band on it with some stickers. And let's see if I can get this off, and then we can look and see what colors these are. These are so pretty. Oh, I can't wait for you guys to see all these colors because they're super pretty. Thank you so much for sending these. Look at this, you guys. Look how pretty that is. All those different colors. Those will come in handy, especially for like spring and like Pasteloween and all that good stuff. And then here we have, oh, she did some more wax seals. How fun. Oh, I like how she included these moon stickers. I think they're moon stickers. Super cool. We have an hourglass. We have moons. We have a star. We have, I think that's a sun. Oh, and a hand holding a rose. And then we've got like a like, it looks like mountains, like geometric mountains with the moon. That's so pretty. Embrace your weirdness. Girl, I embrace it every day because I am a weirdo. Okay, and then, oops, I'm moving stuff. And then we have these stickers. Oh, these are cool. What are those stickers called when like you move them and then they like switch? So like you can see it says thief. Does it say thieves? I can't tell what it says, but it says something and then you move it another way and it's got a school hand. So cool. And like that one's got a bat. Super cool. That's so fun. Thank you so much. Peculiar potions. That's super fun. And then here, what do we have? 100% that witch. So she's got 2 tags here, which are so fun. Must be the season of the witch. Oh, that's so cool. And then must be the season of the witch. So 2 beautiful tags, and look how she has all her little gemmies and her beautiful moon sticker. This is like a dimensional, like thick and juicy jelly sticker kind of. She's got all her little gemmies on there. Same thing with this one, but this one she included wax seals. She did some paper tearing. Super pretty. And then she's got her background paper and her little thingy at the top. What are these called? Bag topper. And then it looked like she used like some torn fabric to do like the top of her tags. Super pretty. And she has her little label. And then here she has her papers. So let's take a look at her papers. My cat is not happy with me. Gigi, just one more minute, girlfriend. One more minute, Gigi. Okay. Ooh, spooky. Ooh, and then we have some foil, some gold foil, some silver holo foil. Ooh, look at this. That's really neat. That's fun. We've got all of these eyes. Ooh, and on the back we've got moons and stars. Got moons and stars, and then, oh my gosh, that kind of looks like the surface of the moon to me, that one. And then we've got this. It says broomstick, trick or treat, witch's brew, happy Halloween. Super cool foiled words. And then here we have the stars. And then like I think this is like a moon phase. Super cool. Thank you so much, Mary. Thank you for this. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much for entering. I am going to leave her Instagram below, and I hope that you all go follow her.